The world is becoming more virtual, increasing the number of ways you can make money online. An online work-from-home situation offers a lot of perks, including flexibility, a comfortable environment, and no stressful commute. Whether you're stuck in an office and ready to make a change or are just looking for a convenient way to make money on the side, check out this list of options on how to make money online. Sell websites or online businesses. Got a website or online business with a decent following or perhaps a desirable domain name registered in your name? There's money to be made from flipping websites. You just need to know where to look. Often the biggest hurdle is figuring out how much the website or business is worth and finding interested buyers. Websites are said to be worth 2 to 3 times the annual profit they generate, although that isn't set in stone and can vary considerably. For a better idea, consider getting a professional valuation. Once you've settled on an asking price, look for an online marketplace that specializes in these types of transactions. It's important to find somewhere safe that can attract as many potential bidders as possible. Flippa, which also offers a free website valuation tool, is considered one of the best. Write a newsletter. An online newsletter is an email you send out to your subscribers to share information or promote a product or service. Let's say you have a blog or a YouTube channel that's all about yoga. In your newsletter, you can promote your favorite yoga. We're using affiliate links. If your readers click on the link, it's money in your pocket. You can also use your newsletter to promote your latest online yoga workshops, your one-on-one online yoga coaching sessions, and your comfy merch. Voiceover acting. For those with a beautiful, unique, or radio announcer tone, have you considered voiceover work? Successful voiceover actors often have a background in acting, though it's not necessary, and are able to do different characters or accents. Voiceover actors can find work narrating ebooks, online videos, or online ads. To get started, you will need a professional portfolio to share with potential clients. Voiceover acting also requires some initial investment. You'll need to purchase a microphone and headphones, as well as voice recording and editing software.